Hello, welcome to Chadani Solutions. So today let's talk about what is Upwork Connects and how to use it, how to purchase it. So Upwork Connects, this is important because without Upwork Connects, you cannot apply in a job. So for example, each job post has its own connects, number of connects required. So for this one, let's try to open that one. Oops. So as you can see, you need 22 connects. So currently I only have 10 connects, so I cannot apply on this job. So mostly it needs 15 to 20 connects. So so for that you need to purchase. So to buy connects, just click the buy connects. So if it requires 22 connects, so just select maybe 40, so $6. 40 is good for maybe two job post job applications. So that's it. And also if you apply, try applying this one. So if you go below, there's a rank here. So required connects is only 22 connects, but if you want to go at the very top, which means your application will be seen easier. So you'll be in first place. So the current bid is 58. So if you bid 59, um, you need to purchase 59 connects at least. So that's it. Thank you so much. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.